In this video, we're going to perform model selection on our salary survey data. So first I'll import that into Enterprise Guide and go up to Analyze, Regression, HP Linear Regression. The advantage of using HP Linear Regression is that we don't have to turn our categorical variables into 1-0 dummy variables. We can treat them as categorical variables, and Enterprise Guide is not going to have any problems. So we're adding our 5 variables in here. Salary is our dependent variable. Usefulness, GPA, and years of experience are numerical variables. Major and gender are classification variables. Pop over to effects here, model effects, add in each of our variables as main effects. And this time, let's click on selection. We've got a pull down menu here. We'll choose the first one, forward selection. This is going to add in individual variables one at a time. Change these to adjusted R-squared so that we get our model evaluated according to adjusted R-squared. Let's click run, see what we get. The procedure down here, the output down here, tells us what the forward selection method has done for us. We started out with a model with no variables in it, then added a first variable. Years was the one that was found to have the most useful impact on salary. Popped our adjusted R-squared all the way up to almost 82%. Next we added major, GPA, and usefulness, and gender. Our model then tried adding usefulness, found that that lowered the adjusted R-squared, and the Schwartz-Bayes criterion, or Bayesian information criterion, at least made it worse because lower is better for the Schwartz-Bayes criterion. And so our final model, the model chosen by our forward selection method, is the one that has years, major, GPA, and gender in it. And then you'll see that estimated down here. Now let's do backward elimination using the same data. I'll modify my task here, go to selection, change forward selection to backward elimination. Everything else is going to stay the same. I'll hit run. This time our model is going to start with a full model, so start with all 5 variables in the model. You can see down here at step 0 we've got the full model with the adjusted R-squared of almost 91%. First step took out usefulness, adjusted R-squared improved, Schwartz-Bayes criterion improved. Then we tried taking out gender and GPA, or at least Enterprise Guide tried taking out gender and GPA. First gender and then gender and GPA. In each case, the adjusted R-squared and the Schwartz-Bayes criterion were worse than when it had only removed usefulness. So then only removing usefulness became our final model, the exact same final model that we got from forward selection. And then that's estimated down here again.